Now this is a good question for solving a linear system of equations. Coffee beans from Kenya are $5.20 per kilogram, and coffee beans from Ethiopia are $4 per kilogram. A quantity of Kenyan beans is mixed with a quantity of Ethiopian beans, and the resulting blend weighs 250 kilograms and costs $4.48 per kilogram. We'd like to know how much of each type of coffee was in the blend. Alright, well, since we're measuring coffee in kilograms, that will be the units that we use for our variables. So we're going to let K be the mass of Kenyan beans in kilograms, and E will be the mass of Ethiopian beans in kilograms. And since we know there's a total of 250 kilograms, the first equation is relatively simple. Second one, though, it's a little tougher. The second one is related to cost, because the other variable that we talked about a lot in that question is cost. Now we know that there are K kilograms of Kenyan, and it's $5.20 per kilogram. So the cost will be 5.20 K. Similarly, we know that the Ethiopian beans are $4 per kilogram, and there are E kilograms, so it's 4.00 times E. That will be the Ethiopian cost. Now, when we add those two together, we end up with a blend that's $4.48 per kilogram. I should have said when we mix those two together, we get a blend that's $4.48 per kilogram and weighs 250 kilograms. So the total cost altogether is $1,120. So what we can do is we can put the total Kenyan cost plus the total Ethiopian cost and say that that equals the total cost of all the beans altogether. And we come up with that as our second equation. 5.20 K, the total Kenyan cost, plus 4.00 E, the total Ethiopian cost, equals $1,120, the total cost altogether. And that's our second equation. So what we do, we rearrange equation 1. Equation 1 said K plus E equals 250. We rearrange it to solve for K. We take that expression for K and we sub it into the K of, sub it in for K in equation 2. So equation 2 read 5.20 K plus 4.00 E equals 1120. We sub in this value, and distributing 5.20 into the bracket gives us 1300 minus 5.2 E plus 4 E equals 1120. We collect like terms and we solve for E. And dividing by the coefficient gives us E equals 150. That means there was 150 kilograms of Ethiopian coffee beans. We can substitute that value into the equation at the top of the page. The equation at the top of the page said K equals 250 minus E. And since E equals 150, that means K is 100. So we can make a formal therefore statement at the end and simply say, therefore there are 100 kilograms of Kenyan beans and 150 kilograms of Ethiopian beans in the blend.